Hello viewers, today I am going to reveal trigonometric concept. Today's topic is sine of trigonometric functions. Okay, great. As you know that there are two axes. This one is x prime. This one is y prime. And you really know that this axis is positive, positive, this negative, this negative. So positive, positive here. As you already know, the first axis is come from the x-axis, so negative, and the second one is from positive. Here negative first from x-axis. Okay, sorry for this. Positive and negative. Now, sine of trigonometric function. How do you can solve these trigonometric functions? Let me have to draw first. This distance, naming this O A B. From O to A, the distance is R, and O to B distance is X, and B to A distance is Y. Sine theta, as you already know that, what is sine theta? Sine theta is what? Perpendicular over hypotenuse. And cos theta is what? Base over hypotenuse. And base is what? X. X divided by what? Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is this R. And tangent theta is what? Perpendicular over base. Okay. Now, how do we can check it out? What is our function, in which quadrant is positive or negative? Sine theta in first quadrant. Let us see. One thing important that you must know, that this distance will remain always positive, whether it is in first quadrant, second, third, or in fourth quadrant. Positive. Now, sine theta in first quadrant, positive or negative? Let us see. In first quadrant, sine theta is y upon r. Y is in upward direction, in positive direction. So, this is positive. And r, as I said earlier, r always remain positive. So, positive by positive, what will come? Positive, definitely, great. So, here is positive. Cos theta. Cos theta, x in positive direction, and r will remain positive. So positive divided by positive, what will come out? Positive. Now tangent theta. Tangent theta, y in positive direction and x in positive direction. So positive divided by positive, what will come out? Positive. Now in second quadrant, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Now in second quadrant, when I will revolve this OA to some degree in the second quadrant, then what will happen? Let us see. This OA will revolve in the second quadrant. Now suppose A revolve A prime. Now see, first sine theta in second quadrant. Sine theta in second quadrant, what? Y upon r, and y is positive or negative? Let us see. This distance y, this distance still is positive. Why positive? As this is upward, and upward sign is positive, so y is positive, and r is always remain positive, this distance. So What will come out? Y positive, R positive, positive divided by positive. What? Positive. Now cos theta. Cos theta here now. X becomes what? Negative x. So cos theta negative x and R positive. So negative divided by positive. What? Negative. Now tangent theta. Tangent theta is what? Y is positive in second quadrant. Y is positive in second quadrant, and x, what will be x? Negative x. So y positive negative x, what will come out? Negative. In third quadrant. Similarly, in third quadrant we can easily see by seeing these trigonometric functions. Sin theta in third quadrant. In third quadrant, what will we have? Negative x, negative y. So, but still r is positive. As I said earlier, distance will remain positive. So sin theta y in this quadrant. Now consider this quadrant, third quadrant. Forget about first quadrant, second quadrant. Just consider third quadrant. In third quadrant, y, what will be y? Positive or negative? Just consider. Just consider it on third quadrant. Y is negative. As if we are in this quadrant, by seeing this notation, first is x and second one is y. So then y is here is negative, and r is positive. Negative divided by positive, what will come out? Negative. Now cos theta. Similarly, cos theta, what will be happen with cos theta? X here in this quadrant is negative and r is positive, as I said earlier. So negative divided by positive, what will come out? Negative. Now tangent theta. Tangent theta is what? Y. By seeing this notation in third quadrant, y is negative and x is also negative, and negative divided by negative will become positive. So in third quadrant we see that tangent theta is positive and the remaining two one, sin theta, cos theta, are negative. Now in fourth quadrant, when I revolve this OA distance, that is r, in fourth quadrant, the distance remains same, that is positive, but sign changes. X becomes here positive and y becomes here negative. So let us consider sin theta. Sin theta, what will happen with sin theta? Sin theta, y, this first sign is assigned to positive by x and the second one y. Y here is negative in fourth quadrant. Look at. Now consider on the fourth quadrant. Y negative, R positive. Negative divided by positive. Negative. Now cos theta. Cos theta, just be cos theta is what? X upon R. And x here is what? Positive. And R still remain positive. So what will happen? Positive divided by positive, what? Positive. Now tangent theta. Tangent theta in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, tangent theta what? Y. Y, what will be? Y is negative here in this fourth quadrant, and x is positive. So negative divided by positive, what will come out? Negative. So this is the way that we have done the sign of trigonometric functions. You can make other way. Similarly, sin theta is what? 1 by cosecant theta, and cos theta is what? 1 by secant theta, and tangent theta is what? 1 by cosecant theta. So you can check it out, cosecant theta, secant theta, and cosecant theta in all the quadrant as well. If you like this video, comment and I will give you more videos on this topic. Thank you.